What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. As you guys can see by the title and the thumbnail, yes, I got my dad a new truck. He's been wanting a truck for a while, and I don't know, he's just been lagging it, and he told me like what he's been looking at and stuff like that. So I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna just surprise him with a truck, and I'm gonna get it for him. And he has no idea. I've had the truck actually for a couple of days. I got the truck with like 70 miles. Now it's like at 200 miles. And I'm actually gonna drop off the truck to get the windows tinted. I'm gonna just do the two fronts matching the back, because I think the back's already come tinted from factory. I'm gonna do the windshield tint in the front. I think that'll look pretty cool. But I'm gonna show you guys the truck, and I'll show you guys the inside. And it's actually a cool truck. Like, I'm not too big on trucks. I'm not crazy about them. But I don't know, he's been wanting a Chevy for a while. He talked about he wanted the TRX for a while. He talked about he wanted the Raptor for a while. So I don't know, he'd been really talking about the Chevy trucks and stuff like that. So I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna just go to Chevy dealer. Let me see what they got. Like, what's the craziest truck they have? And I don't know, to me, I think this one is like the craziest one, or like the top of the line truck that you can get from Chevy, I think. So I don't know, I saw it and I'm like, it looks sick, it looks aggressive and stuff. So I'm like, you know what, let's just get him this freaking truck and let's surprise him. So hopefully he likes the truck. Like I said, he has no idea about this truck. I've had it for a couple of days. I've been meaning to vlog it. I just haven't had the time to vlog the truck and stuff like that. So I didn't even vlog like the whole process at the dealer or anything like that. It was just so random. Like, I didn't really expect to do it, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just freaking do it and I'm gonna surprise him. And this is gonna for sure throw him off. So if you're seeing this, Dad, I know you're watching the video. I love you, and I hope you like the truck. So let me show you guys the truck. So this is the brand new 2024 Chevy ZR2 Silverado Bison Edition. That's a long freaking name for a truck, but dude, look how aggressive this thing is. Look at that front end. It's a 6.2 liter V8, and I think it looks cool in this color. They had like a gray color, but I think the white looks more aggressive with all the black accents, stuff like that. Bro, look at these freaking tires. Holy shit. As you can see right there, you got the 6.2 liter badge. You got the ZR2 logo up there. Gloss black door handles as you come to the back. As you can see, it's a Bison Edition, which I have no idea what that means. I don't know anything about trucks, like I said, guys, but dude, this shit is sick. It's got the gloss black emblems, AEV, no idea. It's a 4x4. You can go off-roading with this, which I do want to take. I want to take this truck off-roading. So hopefully my dad, I don't know, will let me take this thing off-roading. But yeah, as you can see, windows are not tinted in the front. And that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get the windshield tinted. We're gonna get the front windows tinted. And let me show you guys the inside of this. Oh, look, guys, there's no freaking, there's no like emblem. I thought they stole it or something. All right, so let's open up the inside. My favorite part. I love the interior. Dude. So you got like this, it's like a brownish with like lime green stitching. I don't know what that is. Some nice design. It's got a Bose sound system. You got your little buttons over here and go 4x4, parking brake. You got the ZR2 logo right here. I'm gonna get this actually clear brought for him, because I know this is gonna get scratched up and stuff. So I'm gonna get this PPF'd, and that's the interior. Those are the seats. As you can see, it says AEV, and that's the screen over here. Got the steering wheel. It's actually pretty cool. It's got cooling seats. It's got a bunch of cool stuff. Actually, it's a pretty high technology truck. As you can see, let's come to the back over here. Open up the back. Interior is pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. Shit, we need to fold these up. I'll just leave them down. But yeah, it's got USB-C, it's got USB. You got your heated seats back there as well. What's pretty cool too, check this out, guys. I'm gonna show you. I wish my freaking car had this. You lock it, and then you hit this 2 times and it'll start it up for you. As you can see. Damn, listen to that V8 though. Sheesh. You can see you got the ZR2 logo up there. So you gotta press here. And then you got that. Close the door real quick. As you can see, I've been driving it. He's got 91 miles of gas, so you're gonna have to fill that up. But yeah, I got the car with 70 miles, and right now it's at 203. I've been driving it and just seeing how it feels to be in a crazy truck. And then, oh, what's pretty cool too is like you got this, and then if you switch that, you got the camera up there, which I think is pretty cool. Sounds pretty good. But yeah, guys, like I said, hopefully he likes the truck, and like I said, we're gonna get the windows tinted, and then I don't know, hopefully I could do an off-roading vlog. I think that'd be pretty cool, something different. I've never even gone off-roading, guys, so I think this is like the perfect truck to take it. Hopefully he'll let me take the truck, or we go together and take it off-roading. I'll hit up some friends. I know I got some friends that got trucks and stuff like that, so it'd be cool to get some trucks to go off-roading. I think it'd be pretty cool. It'd be a fun experience. So if you guys want to get a better sound clip here, I'll start it from the back. Woo. Bro, I think it sounds aggressive. Yo, I think some like wheels on this kind of lifted would look pretty sick too. Bro, this truck sounds crazy. Like, you guys can hear that beat. Bro, holy shit. So right now we have it in sport. Give you guys a little POV action. Damn. Woo. Yo, for a big ass truck, this shit pulls. Damn, this thing picks up like crazy. All right, we finally made it to the tint shop. We got the homie Meeks. Damn. All right, guys, so I'm gonna do the ceramic tints in the front and on the windshield. So
and the
second a little bit better.
170, right?
On the windshield, 70. It's not too much of a difference from. Well, so yeah, we'll do the front 50, and then the two side ones you could just match those to the back.
It will be at the door price for you, okay? Initial here. Initial the price. Thank you.
All right, guys. Well, we're gonna leave the truck. It's gonna get tinted. From the truck to the M8. Look where we're at, guys. The freaking BMW dealer, bro. Everybody's getting new cars, G. But yeah, the homie Ari wants to pick up this F10 M5 Silverstone. Low-key, you don't really see this color too much. No. Silverstone? F10 M5. It's got a diamond exhaust. Kit. Oh, that's sick.
Stage 2 tune, intake.
Detailed yet. We just got it.
I sold this car to the owner that traded into you guys.
Oh, that's why you're coming back to.
Yeah, it's got all the diamond, didn't it?
Yeah, I had the same shit. I had this too. What the fuck?
Oh yeah, I remember. Yeah.
Somebody just drove
Has deep diamond, everything. Yeah. Diamond exhaust.
New side vents. It's got CS wheels. Pretty cool. Not bad, not bad. All right, guys, with the homies. Damn, no way we all bought something from Chrome Hearts today.
Yup.
Who spent the most? Low key, yeah, he did. That's crazy.
Show 'em what you got, G.
Yeah, guys, freaking look at that.
Got some slides, we got some bracelets, some hats.
Guys, check this out real quick. Hold up. I wasn't gonna buy them, but they made me. Check this out. Oh my.
That E92 long run.
Yo.
Really hard, bro.
Chrome heart gloves. Low-key, they are pretty sick, huh?
Sick.
Nikon?
Shoot with those E92.
Fire?
Yeah.
Bro, they literally match the E92 perfectly.
Had a recall on the Cybertrucks.
Dude, we seen like 3 of them already. It's just, yeah, there was a recall, huh? It's just pretty sick though.
Yeah.
No way. She's picking her nose. Alright guys, we just picked up the truck and the window tints look so freaking good. So these are ceramic and the windshield is ceramic as well. You guys probably can't tell, but I'll get a video from I'll show you guys outside once we get to my dad's shop, and then you guys can see the tint. But he has no idea right now, guys.
Hello.
Are you at work?
Yeah.
I want to show you something. Come outside. I'm on the side.
Outside?
Yeah, I'm on the side. Come, I want to show you something.
Okay.
All right, bye. Bro, this is gonna be hilarious. He has no idea. He has no idea. What's up? What's going on? Are you busy?
Yeah.
What do you think about that truck?
Whoa, whose truck is it?
I got it for myself.
Well, that's a nice truck.
You like it?
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow.
Somebody, yeah. Oh, my bad.
Oh wow,
It's nice, huh?
that's a very nice truck. You got it for you?
Yeah, what do you think? It's a good daily? For every day?
Yeah, for every day. Yeah, it's a nice truck. Actually, it's like actually top of the line from Chevy.
Is it?
CR2.
Yeah.
6.2 liter.
2024.
Oh wow.
I'm kidding. It's yours.
My truck?
Yeah.
No
I
way.
swear.
Oh wow.
You said you've been talking about trucks and you've been wanting one. Like you've been talking about Fords and Dodge and Chevys, but it seemed like you wanted the Chevy more. So I went to the Chevy dealer, and I was like, you know what? I'm serious. It's your truck.
Oh my God. Wow, Kevin.
Do you like it?
If I like
I mean, I don't know.
Wow. No fucking way.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
And I just had the windows tinted for you and the windshield today. So I had that done today.
Wow, that's a nice truck, Kevin.
Yeah.
Oh man, I don't even know what to say.
I know, it's crazy.
Oh,
I'm telling you, I had no. I went to the Chevy dealer. I wanted to see what they had, and they had this one in the showroom. So I was like, you know what? This one looks crazy. It says ZR2 6.2. Get inside, start it. I don't know.
Oh my God. I'm gonna
I
get
know.
it dirty.
I'm crazy. It's cool. Get in. It's your
wow.
truck. Just don't roll the windows down because they just had them tinted.
Oh wow.
It's nice, huh? Like, bro, look at the interior. It's crazy.
Where you started right here?
Yeah, foot on brake and then push. Yeah. Oh, that just sounds crazy.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow, this is so nice.
It's crazy. Yeah, it's got cooling seats. There's a bunch of technology in here. Look at, you can flip this to switch. So if you want to just go regular, you can switch that.
Oh,
or you can,
wow, Kevin.
It's got the full screen. It's got CarPlay, all that stuff. ZR2 right there. I know, it's crazy, huh?
That's a beautiful truck.
Yeah, that shit's crazy. You know what's crazy? Actually, I've had it for a couple of days. I got the car with 70 miles, and right now it's at 200 miles. But I had the car for a couple of days. I just didn't have time to film it. And but today I had the windows tinted, and so I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just come and surprise you now. And
Oh wow.
yeah.
I love it.
It's just sick or what?
Oh, it's so beautiful.
It's just hope, huh?
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Kevin, thank you, son. Thank you.
You're welcome, Dad. I hope you enjoy it, and
believe me, I'm gonna
hopefully, you know, you can let me drive it sometimes. I want to take it off roading. Well, hope you enjoy your new truck. I'm gonna go home, and I'll drop it off to you later, or pick it up later, or whatever. I'll give it to you later.
Okay.
Cool.
All right, thank you,
All right.
Kevin.
I'll see you.
Thank you, son.
Have
I love
fun.
you.
Enjoy it.
Bye.
Love you too. Bye. All right, fam. Ooh. Oh. God damn. It's such a pain to get up here. Whew. All right, guys. What do you guys think? I think he liked it. It's crazy. My dad's had so many trucks, guys. He's a truck guy, but it'd been a minute since he had gotten a new truck. The last one that he had was a Ford, like a 2018 Ford King Ranch, some bullshit with like 6 wheels, some big ass truck. He rarely drove it. It's crazy. He had the truck for about, let's see, from 2018, 19, 20, 21. I think he sold it in 21 or 22. And the truck only had 7,000 miles. Like, he didn't drive it at all. So he got rid of it, and then he's just been chilling. And then recently he's been talking about buying a truck again, buying a truck and buying a truck. He's been talking about the Fords, he's been talking about the TRX, he's been talking about the Chevys. And so I'm just like, bro, like, and he's gone to the dealer. We've gone to multiple dealers, we've seen him and stuff like that, but I don't know, he's just been kind of lagging in. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just pull the trigger for him, and I'm gonna just freaking get him a truck. And because if not, he would not be freaking, I don't know, he'd be very indecisive, but he'd been talking about Chevys for a while. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just get him the Chevy. And looks like we did a good job. So anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe and the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.